How to earn money from YouTube. Welcome back to another video on YouTube. We all know YouTube is making people millionaires. Apart from making them rich, YouTube is making them famous and adding glamour to their lives. YouTube stars are like self-made celebrities. They're even having their own award shows. Not all other money-making options come with this added benefit. YouTube is the most fun and entertainment-based way of earning money. Now, YouTube has more become like a career. Mr. Beast is the biggest example. This guy made $54 million in 2021. Isn't this just amazing? Let me tell you that his earnings are gonna double or triple in 2022 because of recent updates that are supporting content creators. Though he spends a lot on his video and his earning strategies are unique and different from others, but he's clocking at million subscribers. Gone are the days when YouTube was a side hustle, because now people are pursuing making money and growth on YouTube as a full-time job, and with more passion and following different strategies. YouTube money game is up more than ever and has been changed a lot. Back in the day, earning money from YouTube was all compromised on views, likes, and subscriber count. Even in 2022, people are just limited to these options only, while YouTube has added many options for earning money other than just from videos only. Do you want to know all this? Obviously, you can't miss it. Before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody will like to miss the latest money making methods. Let's start this video. In this video, we will not only be limited to just views and subscription strategies, but we will discuss in detail how you sell your product through YouTube and brand yourself and other multiple consistent revenue streams. And at the end of the video, I will share another latest update about YouTube Shorts that have made YouTube money making process better than ever. Let's take a detailed look at these YouTube income streams. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Let's get this most known way of money making out of the way first. After creating the channel, all you have to do is complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. It may be the biggest hurdle to join a YouTube Partner Program, but this is not as big as it seems. Once you have done this, the doors are open for you. You can apply for monetization and your earning money on YouTube starts. You will get paid at the end of the month once your earning reach $100. A question that comes to everyone's mind, that how many views on YouTube does it take to make a good amount of money? Let me get this clear, guys. You won't get paid per video view, but you will get paid for the times your video are watched or by the number of clicks on ads that play on your video. According to research done by Influencer Marketing Hub, and every channel can make about $18 per 1,000 ad views. That means $3 to $5 per 1,000 views when you count it in the factor of ads actually viewed. It also depends on the country you live in and the type of content that you add. Number 2. Let your audience pay you through fan funding. This YouTube money making strategy has multiple income streams, but all you have a few things in common. Let me explain to you. You have to engage your audience with your content that will provide them value. Once you are successful in connecting with your audience on an emotional level, you can ask them to fund you by buying a channel membership. They can send you a super chat or buy a premium membership of your channel. Not only these, there are other platforms like Trippy, Buy Me a Coffee, and Patreon. These platforms have multiple payment options and let creators accept donations and funding from fans. Number 3. By affiliate marketing or by selling your own merch. Now, this is the best way to monetize your traffic on YouTube. There are plenty of programs that give you percentages from the sale that you make using their link. Process is super easy. You can sign up with Amazon or ClickBank, whoever you like. Just get your affiliate link from them and paste it into your video description. You will get a commission every time someone clicks on your custom link and buys the product. That's how easy it is. Another way is selling your merch. I see it as the best way because it improves your connection with your audience and generates a loyal fan base. If you are a video creator having a fan base, you can sell like crazy because you have been feeding them your brand content for free. Now it's time to cash it. Not only limited to selling t-shirts and mugs, you can sell anything you want. You can get designed your stuff or even get partnered with an already existing brand. Most of you know the guys from MKBHD channel. In every video, he always leaves a link to buy his own designed accessories and t-shirts. Number 4. Crowdfunding. This is the option that not many people talk about. Crowdfunding or getting donations online is now becoming commonplace. You can fund your next channel related project. This is another way to monetize your channel, and this will keep your channel going. You have to create an account on a list of websites that are approved by YouTube. Patreon is on the top of recurring fund, and Kickstarter are best for one-time campaigns. If you have an idea that needs financial support, crowdfunding is your best option. Number 5. YouTube Short Funds. This is best for people who can't make longer videos. This YouTube Short Fund is a $100 million fund that will be divided among all these creators that are creating original shorts. This short bonus ranges from $100 to $10,000, but it depends on how many views, likes, and engagements your short video is getting. Insider news is that this short fund was an experimental step for YouTube as they were heading towards monetization of shorts. How can YouTube ignore its competitors like TikTok? Here comes the good news and one of the best updates from YouTube. YouTube has finally moved to monetize YouTube Shorts. Starting from the beginning of next year, Shorts will become part of partnership program by YouTube, and ad will be displayed on Shorts as well. Those who will qualify will get a share of ad revenue. This was all for today. How was the video and which method you will be choosing in your next quest of making money? If you can't decide for yourself, this is the best time to go to the YouTube Shorts, or you can comment on this video and we will discuss it in detail. Keep watching, keep asking. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.